This is how you're going to add payment gateway and hosting your website builder. So you can do this with Stripe, PayPal, etc. So this is done directly through the online store settings, not through code. So first step is you're going to access your store settings. You're going to head over to your hfunnels.hostinger.com, and then from here you're going to open the website builder from the left side panel. So you're going to head over to website, and then you're going to click the online store icon to go to the store management panel. After that, you're going to head over to payments. So in the store management panel, navigate to settings and then payments. You're going to connect then the gateway. You're going to find Stripe or PayPal and click connect. You will be redirected to that provider's website. You're just going to have to log into your business account or create one and authorize the connection to link it to your Hostinger store. And that's it. That is how you're going to add payment gateway in Hostinger website builder, which is applicable for Stripe, PayPal, and anything that you could think of. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.